As a financial consultant, I have to build a cash flow statement. Let's open the Fabric Plan app, where I'm going to show you how to plan and visualize your cash flow statement. Create a new file, give it a name, and connect your semantic model. I have received a cash flow statement data for 2026 and 2025. Let's analyze and forecast next year. Once that's done, head into the planning sheet. This is where the financial thinking happens. Bring in your cash flow categories and this year's actuals. Now here's where it gets interesting. Instead of copying numbers into a spreadsheet, I'm going to insert column as a new empty forecast series, and we will call it 2027 FC. This represents what our company is targeting for next year. From here, you can edit each cell individually and plan the right values, whether you're optimizing for an ideal working capital, a reinvestment ratio, or any other financial target that matters to your business. You're not just entering data. You're building a planning layer directly on top of your semantic model, which means the moment your actuals update, everything stays in sync automatically. Once your forecast series is ready, save the file. The FC measure will now be available to pull into any visual downstream. Switch over to the intelligence sheet. For a cash flow statement, the waterfall chart is the natural choice. It shows you how each component builds up or draws down your cash position, stage by stage. Add your dataset from the Visualization tab. And here's something worth highlighting. You can fetch the FC forecast measure you just created directly from the Sheet section. Before touching anything else, add your intermediate sums. You get clear subtotals for operating, investing, and financing activities. Without these, the waterfall is just bars. With them, the structure of your cash flow becomes immediately readable. From there, clean up the formatting, axis labels, data labels, number formatting. The final output will look like this. Now, let's actually use this. Looking at the forecast, I can see we're underallocating cash outflow for long-term investment. I want to fix it right now. So I flip back to the planning sheet. Let's find the row for long-term funds. Update to 25K. Switch back to the intelligence sheet. It's already updated to 25K. No refresh, no export, no waiting. The Plan app lets you think and analyze at the same time. Use this as your starting point, connect your own cash flow data, build the forecast series, and make it boardroom ready. Integrated planning and analytics is now available with Fabric Planning.